Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be showing you how to log in to your Carrington Mortgage account online. Logging in and managing your mortgage account for Carrington is an easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the search box and type in carringtonmortgage.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Carrington Mortgage Services. Click on Customer Login button at the top right corner of the main home screen. This will then take you to the sign in page or the register option. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Register My Loan button on the right corner. If you already have an account and you would like to log in and manage to your existing account, go to the left hand side and type in your username and password. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box and go to the password tab and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click Sign In to sign you in into the Carrington Mortgage Service. Once you are logged in, you can now manage your account, pay your mortgage, view your statements, and much more. So that's how you can easily log into Carrington Mortgage Service. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.